Oopsie, it blew up. Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have a Mundo de Unas stamping polishes review video for you. I was recently browsing and looking at certain websites that I haven't visited in a while, and during this kind of search I stumbled across Mundo de Unas again. I haven't purchased from them in a long time, and to my surprise I actually found 7 brand new stamping polishes. I do not know if they are part of any collection because I found them outside the collection section, so I don't know if these are just new color releases or if this is one of her collections. Please don't quote me because I'm really not sure, but I was very excited when I saw them, and of course I had to purchase them. When you are ordering Mundo de Unas stamping polishes, they are coming from Mexico, so your shipping will be anywhere between 3 to 6 weeks usually due to the customs. I believe mine arrived within 3.5-4 weeks top, so it wasn't too bad. And if you order 8 stamping polishes, for 8 stamping polishes you have a set shipping of $8. If it's more than 8 bottles, then the price changes. When you are checking out, you can actually see how much your shipping will be, and you can adjust the number of your polishes based on that. So I am very excited to try these. Again, I will swatch them for you today over dark and white nail polish. That way you see how they would stamp over these colors. I do have to warn you, in case if you are sensitive to smells, some people find these very strong. I don't think they are that strong. I do have polishes that have much stronger smell than these, so they don't bother me. But if you are headache prone or migraine prone because of a smell, these may not be suitable for you. So just for your information, in case if you are thinking about this. So let me show you some close-ups, swatches, and then I will be back. so what do you think about these stamping polishes from Mundo de Unas? I have to say that I am actually very excited about them. Comparing to the last collection, I think it was like a sugar collection or something like that, where the colors looked beautiful in the bottle, but when they were stamped, they were like so-so. On the other hand, these don't look too much in the bottles, but oh my gosh, look at them. When they are stamped, they are beautiful. Even the dark colors, you can absolutely see them without any problems. I am thrilled with this, so I would absolutely recommend you these stamping polishes from Mundo de Unas. My least favorite has to be Daylight, this cream color. I don't know, I think it's just too thick in the bottle, and you could see even when I was applying it that it was a little gloopy, and it dried really fast, so you have to be quick when working with this one. And you can only see it really over the dark polish. I mean, it's probably meant to be stamped with over darker polishes, but in general, I have to say, if you need to choose which one not to grab, then that has to be Daylight. On the other hand, I am in love with Moonlight. That's this gray one that completely topped my heart. And I also love Sunset. That's this purpley one. Oh my gosh, look at that. Even over the dark color, it looks stunning. And then the third favorite from this set is Blood Moon. That's this red one. Again, I can't say anything bad about these stamping polishes except for Daylight, but it's only maybe my bottle, I don't know. I would absolutely recommend you Mundo de Unas, or at least these 7 stamping polishes from Mundo de Unas. Now, I forgot to point out at the beginning, my only complaint about the Mundo de Unas stamping polishes is that they kind of separate. So here is one of my bottles that I have for maybe 2 years, and you see it does separate. However, when I go stamp with them, they are still good. So their consistency changes, but the opaqueness when you stamp with them stays. This might be something that may bother you, so just keep that in mind, that this is something that I see with like 80% of the stamping polishes that are sitting on my shelves right now. Yeah, so I believe that's all from my rambling. Let me know which one was your favorite out of these 7 stamping polishes, and if you purchased before from Mundo de Unas, or if you are maybe thinking about it. If you do like my video, then don't forget to thumbs it up, and also please subscribe to my channel if you are new here and you would like to see more reviews like this. So thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back for you with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.